Have you ever wondered what these post and pre buttons do on your return tracks? Well, let me explain. 99% of the time, you will use the default post button. So in this example, we have two return tracks. We have a replica XT, which is a delay, and we have a compressor on the second return track. Now what we're going to do is we're going to send the delay to the return track, and this is how it would normally work out of the box. I wanna move with you. So the more you send, the more delay will be apparent. Get in the groove. So if we click on pre, it'll send the values across to the track just like that, but it will send it before the fader. I wanna move with you. Now let's reduce the volume on the fader. So all that's happening here is it's not being affected by the fader. So if, for example, we want to automate some of the track volume, let's just do it this way. You'll see here that the track volume is going to change, but because it's pre-fader, it won't change the amount of delay that is going to be applied. I wanna move with you. You got me mesmerized. So the volume of the track goes up and down, get in the groove. You got me mesmerized. But the amount of delay stays the same. So at this point here where there's no volume on the track, we still have volume on the delay. Let's listen to it with a post fader. I wanna move with you. You got me mesmerized. The amount of delay is relative to the volume of the track. So you can see here the track is going down in volume, and so is the value of the delay. So why would you even use a pre-fader? Well, a lot of times it does work if you want to maintain a consistent amount of the effect that's being sent. So for things like parallel compression and sidechain compression, it does actually work really well. So if we, for example, click on pre on the compressor here, and we'll apply the compressor to the vocal, just like that. Let's take a listen. So we have like a steady amount of compression. And we can just simply control the amount of compression by reducing the volume of the return. So you can see here the volume is at 0, but we still have a value on the compression. The more we add, the more we're here. So let's apply a bit of both. Delay and compression.